India is officially going through one of the worst economic slowdowns in the world. Businesses are at an all-time low, and the service industry too is struggling with massive job cuts. The automobile industry was already waiting for a pick-me-up when the lockdown hit. Sales dropped to a historic zero for most manufacturers. May figures too were dismal, but now some green shoots can be seen.
If you talk of the current degrowth, this is improved month on month. So like April was a wash off, then May happened something. But since June we have seen an improvement. So June was 37, and from there till today we have seen an improvement of 5 to 7% month on month. So obviously coming months will be seeing a better place. If I talk of the passenger vehicle will be the first to come out of, not exactly come out of the degrowth, but the degrowth to be minimal. It has already come out to one single level. So I expect that things will be nearing normal in this festive season to come. And going forward, overall this financial year will not be a great year, but maybe April onwards we'll see the similar figure coming year on year.
In Pune, customers have started returning to showrooms and dealerships. Inquiries have increased over the past month.
अभी तो फिलहाल देख रहा हूँ कौन सा गाड़ी लेना है वो डिसीजन फाइनल नहीं किया है.
Two-wheelers along with entry-level passenger vehicles are driving this growth, signaling a shift in consumer preference. Customers are making a shift to their own vehicles rather than travel in public transport because of the pandemic.
पहला ये है पेंट अप डिमांड. अप्रैल मई जून में कई लोग कार नहीं खरीद पाए तो उन्होंने जुलाई और अगस्त में खरीदी है. कुछ लोगों की बिलीफ सिस्टम भी है, पितृपक्ष है फर्स्ट हाफ ऑफ सितंबर में, तो उन्होंने भी थोड़ा जल्दी यानी अगस्त में खरीदी है गाड़ियां. तो ये रही एक बात. दूसरी बात इसकी ये है कि कोरोना की वजह से जो भी सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग है जो फॉलो करना बहुत जरूरी है, अच्छी बात है, उसकी वजह से लोग पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट का यूज कम करना चाहते हैं.
The uptick, however, is still low as compared to the numbers of the same quarter in the previous financial year.
People are genuinely trying to buy. Only window shopping has been very limited, to be very frank with you. The amount of customers that I used to get has been halved, but the actual customers have been doubled, you can say. Eventually, because of slowdown due to lockdown, we came down to 50-60 numbers, but last 2 months have been really good because business is picking up slowly, and again, you can say because of the customers getting out and lockdown rules being a little less restrict now. So we are back to about 90 to 100 cars a month now.
The automobile sector has been one of the worst affected by the pandemic. The industry was already seeing a slowdown when the pandemic hit India. But they are seeing a rise in the number of people who are buying entry-level passenger vehicles, which means that Indians have now had a change of perception. Most of the people who were traveling with public transport earlier are now shifting to these vehicles. But the industry is hopeful that government help will come, because without government help, a revival seems a little difficult at the moment. This is Aishwarya Paliwal reporting for India Today with camera person Nasir Khan.